We work very hard to satisfy everyone, and our business thrives on the happiness of others. So when someone writes to tell us we did a great job, we love to show our appreciation by sharing their review.
Eagle Air Heating and Cooling replaced a furnace at our rental house in Geneva. They were fabulous to work with from start to finish. The technicians came out when they called and fixed everything. They got us up and running in a quick amount of time. I would definitely do business with them again.
But please don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself. Attention to detail and unmatched quality are our specialties. Thank you for dropping in today. We are looking forward to doing business with you. We're only one call away from serving you.